Hello, my name is Sarah Chavez, and I am going to show you the web application I built with Sinatra and Active Record and some other important gems. And this application, it tracks wines. So it would be for somebody who likes wine and they want to remember certain wines so they can maybe buy them again or find out about new wines to try. Could be somebody who works in the wine industry and they have to make recommendations on a regular basis. So they want something to help them keep track of wines. So to start off, this is our landing page. And we are logged out. So up here, we have this option in the navigation to either create an account or to log in. So I'm going to say that we are a new user and we will create an account. It's asking for our username, email, password. So I am going to say, my name's Rosita. I'm not going to enter my email because I don't really like to give my email out. We'll just see what happens. Maybe I can sign up without an email and then I'll put in my password. And then we're going to enter this information into the form, create an account. Oh, so we're redirected back to the sign up page because we did not enter our email. And we also received this error that says, please try again. So let's try again. We'll say, Rosita at Sesame Street.org. And then put in my password and hopefully this time it'll work. Let's see, create account. All right, we're in. Okay, so when we sign up, we're automatically logged in. And it brings us to this initial page that shows us all of the wines that are in the database. And obviously Rosita did not enter any of these wines because she's a new user. So this is her first time here. So these are all wines that we can click on. And then we can go back to the wines page and see details about various wines that other users have added. Okay, great. So add a wine is going to allow us to add a wine. So this is Rosita's opportunity to start tracking her own wines. And then here she'll find her list of the wines that are hers. And obviously nothing in there yet because she hasn't added a wine. So let's try adding a wine. So let's see, Rosita likes this wine J and she wants to keep track of it because she likes it. She wants to remember like details about it so that she can buy it again, or maybe she wants to remember that she liked it with this kind of food. And so if she has a dinner party or something, she can get that same wine. Okay, so we'll say that it's called, let's see, what is it called? It's called State Whiskey Sparkling. There we go. Okay, I've used this wine before, obviously. Okay, let's say the vintage is 2019, varietal Chardonnay. She really likes it, it's good. We'll say it is citrusy, sparkling, it's a sparkling wine, and it's really crisp. Okay, there we go, some tasting notes there, and then we just create the wine. We enter the information in the form, and then once we submit it, then we can see that this information has been it's been saved. So we have it now here in front of us, and this for this particular wine, the sparkling cuvee. And to see if it's now been added to the wines list, we're going to check the wines list. Yep, there it is at the bottom, and then we'll see if it's been added to my wines. That's right. So Rosita's got her first wine. And when we click on the wine, her wine, we can see also at the bottom here that there's an option for editing. So we can edit the wine, edit any of this information, or delete it or log out. And when we look at the wine that somebody else has entered, Rosita does not have those options. So she cannot delete or edit somebody else's wine. So let's see, we'll go back here, go to my wines, and Rosita realizes that she put in the wrong vintage. So she's going to edit. She likes the 2018 better. So we'll put in the 2018 and then we'll just update that. And now we see that it's been updated, which is great. So we can change that information. But then Rosita thinks, oh my gosh, this is actually not even the wine that I like. And she doesn't want to track it anymore. Or maybe she just knows it so well that she doesn't even need to have it in here. So she just deletes the wine. And so now we're just redirected back to this wines list, this wines page, and we see that it's no longer there. It's no longer in the list of her own wines. So it's gone from there. So we've deleted it. And from there, she can log out. She can go back and look at some of the other wines. So she decides that she's going to log out. And then she remembers that there was actually a wine that she wanted to enter. So we haven't tried the login button yet. Or the login. So we'll just try the login page now. We're going to click login, and let's see. It's Rosita. It's Sesame Street. Oh my goodness. I did not mean to do that. There we go. So Rosita. All right. And then let's just not enter the password and we'll see what happens. Okay, redirected back to the login page to log in again, and then notified that there's an error and that we should try again. And obviously we did not enter the password, which of course we need that. So we'll enter in our password again. There we go. Log in. All right, success. Okay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.